becoming the crazy cast iron lady. I'm getting quite the collection here, and actually I don't think I could fit too much more on these shelves. Oh yes, and my 2 bread pans are missing from here, and they need to be washed and put back. And there's a few other items. Now, yesterday I was at the thrift stores walking around. Well, actually it was a flea market, not the thrift store. And what I'm really looking to add to this collection is a cast iron waffle iron. I don't really care what, I mean, a Griswold would be nice, Wagner ware would be great as well, but I just want a complete one. I don't want pieces missing or handles missing or broken pieces. So I have been looking at them online, and they are available. Unfortunately, the big issue is getting them shipped to Canada. Most of them are available in the US, not here. I did find 1 or 2 here, and the first one, as soon as I asked about it, the guy didn't even respond and it was gone. And the second one is not a complete one. As a matter of fact, it is a Canadian-made one, which I would have loved had the base been included. Unfortunately, it was not included. So anyway, I have been looking around for one of those to add to my collection, and hopefully I will run across one someday. Either that or my next trip to the US. I'm going to have to look long and hard over there to see if I could find one. Anyway, while walking around through the flea market, I did come across this little pan, and I don't have one of these, and it does have some mild rust on it, and it is a Wagner ware, made in the USA, so yes, a little bit of rust. It's going to take a little bit of work for me to clean it up, but not too bad. And paid about $15 for this, which is, I understand that they are available for around that price. I've actually looked on eBay, and even Lodge is making one of these now. The issue that I have is even picking one of these up online, the shipping is absolutely astronomical. I mean, $15 for me was a score, because I would pay another $50 to $60 to have it shipped to Canada. So anyway, that's another little item to add to my cast iron collection. And I asked a few people in that flea market that had cast iron if they had any waffle irons, cast iron waffle irons, and yeah, they're hard to come by here. The lady claims that maybe she does have one, but it's at home, and her son really likes it, and it's a square one, so that's not really what I'm looking for. But she said that she would try to bring it into the shop next Saturday, so I may go by and look at it, but it's not really what I had in mind. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll catch you on the next one.